up, you guys? What it do, boo? It's your girl E4K, and I'm back at y'all one more again. all you newbies out there, I love to do hair, I love to do wigs, I love to play in makeup. I mean, literally play, because I'm not really all that great at slaying quite yet, but let me keep watching B Nicole and Diamonds, Curls, and Pearls, my boo things. Yeah, I'm gonna be slaying on y'all with that in a minute too, so stay tuned. Anyway, before you go, I hope you do take the time to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you share this video with a couple of your friends too. Now, boo, let's get into this thing right here on my head. Y'all, this is Miss Kiely. I did a review on her sister, like Kiely, but in another color. I will insert the picture here. Yeah, so I really loved that color on me, but I always do colors or like a 30 or 27 or a 613 or something like that. So I said, let me give y'all a basic like natural color, and yeah, this is what we came up with. So I'm going to let you guys see what she looks like straight out the box. We're gonna cut to that now, and yeah, I'll be back. Okay, y'all know I did her in this beautiful bright orange color a couple weeks ago, and I must say I really I was feeling that one. This one, okay, first of all, if y'all know me, y'all know I don't do many 1B type units. I just feel like 1B on my skin complexion makes me look like the Wicked Witch of the West. Like, yeah, like, I don't know. I feel like I'm supposed to be a stalker or something with this wig on. Like, I feel like I'm supposed to have a cauldron and no spells with this wig on. I don't know. Isn't that what it's called, a cauldron? Anyway, yeah, I just, now the wig is beautiful. To me, she has movement. Just like the other review. That's why I said this one will be, this one will be quick. This one will be quick because I've already reviewed her. So the wig is beautiful. I love the way she moves. She's big head friendly. This is a 360 of her. So I love the way Kiely moves. She is definitely a look. You know what I'm saying? But baby, not for me. Not in this color. I ain't gonna be able to do it. Yeah, so all the other colors are on the back, just like before. If y'all need greater detail on the specs of the unit, because my camera is not wanting to focus. Sorry, ladies. Anyway, she has a whole lot of colors, okay? I think on my other, on my other unit, on the other one that I had, the other Kiely review, sorry, I did list all the colors in the description, so I will try to remember to do it down below as well. Let me see, am I missing anything? I mean, I love the wig. I just don't like the color on me. Oh, by the way, another thing I noticed with this 1B is that I had to add yeah, I had to add powder to the part, a little, like, a little pre-game powder, if that makes sense. Like, usually I'll put the unit on and then I'll add the powder, especially, like, you know, to make it, like, look seamless like that, you know, which I have forgotten to do. But anyway, but I didn't with this because you can see the double knots or whatever you call them, like, of the in the lace. The grids were popping a little bit too much for me. It looked like they, on some of them, they had a little bit, I don't know, they just did extra, like somebody was going to town doing this or something with the knots. I don't know. So that's something I noticed. But I know with wigs, if you get different colors, the wigs do different things. This one is not shedding very much. I mean, you know, minimal shedding. It's like 2 strands. Yeah, I do believe that is all though. If I missed anything, don't hesitate to comment down below. You can ask me a question. I'm pretty quick on answering my questions usually. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe once again, and share with a couple of your friends. You can find me on IG, Facebook, and Snapchat, and also TikTok. Oh yeah, your girl got her TikTok page. Boo. I don't be doing nothing on it yet. But anyway, I'll link all of those down below as well. So y'all have a blessed day. Stay covered in the blood of Jesus. I love you, boos.